Tom's Magic English. Places to go. Teacher Tom. Park. I like to go to the park to play. Movie theater. I go to the movie theater to see a movie. Supermarket. My mom goes to the supermarket to buy groceries. Post office. My grandma is at the post office to mail some letters. Department store. There's a big sale at the department store. Library. I borrow books from the library. Tom's Magic English. Things to do. Teacher Tom. Go shopping. I like to go shopping at the department store. Watch a movie. Let's watch a movie tonight. Borrow books. I can borrow 3 books from my library. Mail letters. We can mail letters at the post office. Buy groceries. We buy groceries on Saturday. Kick a ball. My brother likes to kick a ball in the park.